today's video, we are going to talk about how AI can help you create better emails using Zoho CRM. First of all, I will show you the functionality. And if you like what you see, I will also show you how to enable it on Zoho CRM. I promise it won't be difficult. So first of all, whenever you have a lead or a contact and you have emails under the email section, you will be able to view existing emails. And if you want, you can also view the summary. So instead of going to the email and read the entire email, you will be able to hover and click on View Summary, and then Zia will summarize the email for you much quicker. Especially when you have those long, never-ending emails from very detailed customers and you don't really have time to read all of it. Click on View Summary, it will give you the idea, and it's great. One more thing that I can tell you that we are doing, whenever an email comes in, we are checking also the sentiment. So if the client is happy or unhappy. And based on that, we are producing a report to management that will show them how many people are happy or unhappy. And also for mid-management, the ones that's supposed to manage the employees, they will receive a daily report that will show them all the unhappy customers, and then they can drill down and see exactly what's going on. It's a great way to supervise the quality of your company. So this is also something that we know how to do. It's not out of the box, but we do know how to do it with an AI integration. Next, I want to show you the send email. If I will click on send email, I will be able to create an email. So I will click here on try smart prompt. I will have here the small prompt and I will write, obviously with spelling mistakes because I will do it very fast. So please send an email to Nisha that I am sorry that I missed the meeting and if he likes to reschedule. So I'm just writing an email quickly, some spelling mistakes. So the system obviously knows how to work with it. I will have here the subject. Okay. So apologies for missing a meeting with Nisha. And then, dear Nisha, for example, I hope this email finds you well, blah, 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 blah. And then I will just push that and I have the email. You can also work with a Zia prompt, or also if you want, you can use ChatGPT prompts. Both of them are integrated and I will show you as well how to do that. So that's a really quick way to create those emails. One more thing, you have here the writing assistant. So if you click on it, it will show you if you have spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes. Obviously it was produced by Zoho, so it should be good. But here you have ease of reading. If you want, you can have here different items on how you can improve it. So instead of don't, you can say don't. If you don't want to do it, you can just ignore it. And then every time that you are making those changes, it will be updated for you. Now, one more thing that I can also tell you, if you have spelling mistakes or grammar mistakes, it will be here and then it will show you. So I didn't create this email, so I just copy paste, but let's see if it works. So instead of moment, I will do more rant or something like that. Let's see if it will grab it. I don't know if it's an English word. My English vocabulary is limited to 5 words. So let's see, more vent instead of moment. Yep, so it got it as a spelling mistake. And moment or movement, fantastic. So I will just click on that and then it changed it. Okay, I don't know why it capitalized it, but in any case, it found the problem, so it's good. So right now I have no spelling mistakes and I can send it. Now, if you like this functionality, let me show you how to enable it. If I will go to the setup on the right side, I will have here the Zia section. If you have the new design, let's see if I can enable the new design. I can't. So it will be on the left bottom here. You will have the smart prompts. You will have two options. One smart prompt will be ZIA, and ZIA can be out of the box. You don't need to do anything, just activate it. Or if you want, you can activate ChatGPT. You will have here manage. You will need to put here the API key. If you don't know how to do it, you will click here. That needs to be a paid OpenAI account. And then whenever you're ready, you will turn it on. And then ZIA will be turned off and ChatGPT will be turned on. So you can go again to an email. And then whenever you activate the smart prompts, it will be the AI prompt. And then you can write here something and paste exactly the same way. It's just I find that ChatGPT, it's a better engine and giving better results. Those are right now the two things that I can show you. If you like the video and you think that it gave you some value, thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have comments, shoot them in the comments below. And obviously on the description, we added some links that will help you get more out of your Zoho CRM.